noticed here how the price is below the PSR dots and below the BB band stop on both of these Euro 1 hour. This here, there's several ways. If you write a lot, it seems like in the morning times I wake up with a new idea every day, and I'll write it, work on it all day, then I'll store it somewhere and forget about it. I forget what the arrows are. I forget what the numbers are. I forget everything. This is from years and years ago. Sometimes I will put the instructions down here. Buy, sell based on alpha and TSR both being greater than or less than. And what that means is greater than or less than themselves last bar. So if both are falling, it will be a small lettered sell. If both are rising, small letter buy. Buy, sell, capital letters, based on if they changed. So in other words, they went from disagreement to agreement. So right here, both must be going up right now, but last bar both must have been, bar one must have been going down or something, but for some reason they changed. Thought there's, it's a little bit better signal. First arrow, BB band stop. That's this arrow right here. You saw a while ago on the Euro, Euro USD right here. The price was below the BB band stop. So if it's red arrow pointing down, the price is below the stop. If you didn't see the zigzag, but if the last zigzag leg is down, it'll be a red arrow. The 4, that's the TD, DMARC, the numbers, TD sequential, 1, 2, 3, all the way up, like that. That's the current count. I don't know what this is. Raggy Horner. If it's red, if it's a red dash, it's below. The price is below. QQE and and so on. I put in, if you look at that, it says X EUR USD, if you can see it, to MAC. I also put in there in the comments or the name for each object what it is. That helps sometimes, but in the case here it just says AUD NZD to TD. I might forget what TD stands for, but so I'll put numbers are the TD sequential count. Hyphen is Raggy Horner. Underscore is the MAC 0 line. Anything like that you can put to help me remember, is a good thing. And what I'll do sometimes is I will put one of the inputs will be like page 1, page 2, something like that. If you go to page 2, it will have instructions or descriptions of everything pretty much in depth. Or the alternative there is to make a video like this, and which is, then you got to remember where the video is. So if you can put it all in the code years later, it helps you out rather than going through and looking at the code, because you'd be surprised how quickly you forget when you're writing something new every day. But anyway, I think that's enough of that.